So hello guys, so welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna explain the Eclipse Kepler, so where we run the HTML as well as servlet programs, like server side as well as HTML programs where we run it Eclipse. So there are three files that they should be there. So first one is like Apache Tomcat, and the second one it comes like Ellipse, so where all the installation and all the packs where all are installed in this, and the JDK file of that one. While if you want these three files, then I'll be adding into my description, so if you can go and download it there. So first of all, you should be installing the JDK file, then only the Eclipse will be running. After that, then you should open the Eclipse folder. So here is the extension of Eclipse, so click on that. So Eclipse Kepler is going to be installed. So in this session, so here I'm gonna show you how to create a folder, inside that how to run the HTML as well as servlet programs. Okay, so first of all, so go to the file, new, then dynamic web page. So here you have to add the project name. So I'm adding like servlet. Servlet application. Then so here have to set the target runtime. So I'm going to browse new runtime. So here we have to select the Apache Tomcat 7.0, then add next. Here we have to browse the directory and install that. So browse it. So we should search the folder where we have been installed, or where we have installed that folder. So I'll be like this is my folder Ellipse. So here is the Apache. Okay. So this is the folder, then finish it. After that, we have to check the dynamic web modulation version, so it's 3.0. so configuration, that will be like default configuration Apache Tomcat. Then next, then select source file src, then next. So here we are in the web module, so content root servlet application, the name that I have given. The content directory will be web content. So a tick mark should be given here or generate the web XML. So then finish it. So once you finish with the dynamic web project, so next is like opening the project explorer. So in project explorer, so your folder will be visible here as like servlet application. So this is what I created, so click on that. For that, just search for the Java resources, so click on that arrow mark, then libraries. So in that web app application, So just write build path. So here you have to configure the build path, so click on that. Here you should add the additional jar of Apache Tomcat. So click on add external, so search for the file, so where you have installed the Tomcat as well as the folders of JDK and all. So I have to put in folder Eclipse, so Apache Tomcat libraries. In this search for servlet API jar, click on that, open. So then click on OK. You can see how the servlet API has been appeared here, so click on OK. So after adding the servlet APIs, so next is like you have to add the servlet. So when you want to run the like server programs, so you have to create a servlet. So for that, go to src, so that is source. So right click on that, new, then servlet. So here class name you can give anything you want. So it does create. Then next, so here you have to check that do get and do post for going to finish step. If it's checked, then finish it, click on the finish. A Java template will be opened with all the credentials with the method like toGet as well as toPost. So here I had added the program of Java. So some string names and the name, course, qualification, college, so print writer. So there is an error in this, so if there is an error like this, so just click on it, so it will be showing to import the print writer. So click on that. If you click on that, the error will be like it will be vanished. So next, after that, I want to create this is the server side, so I want to create the client side program. So for that, go to the project explorer, where you can see as web contents. So click on that, and that click on right click on WEB INF, click, so new, and HTML file. So you can add the file name. College.html. So click on next, then select that HTML file. You can select whichever you want. I'm gonna select HTML5, then finish. So a template with the HTML commands will be opened, where you have to write the code. So after writing the HTML codes, so make sure that you have run the servlet program first. So because you have to get the URL, and then you have to copy that URL to that HTML. So make sure that you have to run that. So right click on that and run on the server. So we Tomcat, then next servlet finish. So just copy this URL and paste it on the HTML in this part of form. Paste it, then run the HTML. So just right click and open with and web browser, so where you can write the name. See course qualification, see just write college names, college, submit the code. This is what the output you get. So if you like this video, just subscribe, like it.